Students, again I am back with a new word. Today's word is mediocre. I am repeating, mediocre. Mediocre means not very good quality, average quality, not very good. Now how you can use this word in the sentence? Rahul scored mediocre marks in the exam. That means average marks. Again, the grains are of mediocre quality. That means average quality. So use these new words daily in your day-to-day language. Thank you. Students, today's idiom is off the cuff. O-double-F off the C-U-double-F cuff. Off the cuff. Now what do you mean by off the cuff? Off the cuff means to speak anything without preparation. To speak anything without thinking before of that. बिना सोचे समझे कुछ भी बोलना. That is off the cuff. Now how you can use this idiom in your sentence? Mr. Sharma speaks off the cuff. One of my friends always speaks off the cuff. Thank you.